Hi, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a quick try on of ILIA, the makeup brand. I've never used it before, but I've seen them all over Instagram and I've heard of them, you know, through other YouTubers videos, but I've never used it before. So I ordered 4 things. I got 2 samples. One is something I'm gonna give away because I can't use SPF. And then the other one is it is ILIA Beauty. I thought so. ILIA Beauty is an Bright Start activated eye cream. We're not gonna use this right now, but another time. But I did get their Nightlight bronzing powder, which is talc free, in the shade Drawn In, which I think was the lightest because, as you can see, unless I'm like tanned, I'm fair. I'm very fair, or light skinned. And then I got their True Skin Serum Foundation, which I can't wait to try. Excuse me. It is lightweight, smoothing, soothing. It has niacinamide and allantoin, or toin, don't know what that is, and aloe infused. I'm hoping I don't break out from any of this, but it says here, wake up skin, make up the rest. And what was it on the box where I saw it says something? Skincare powered makeup. So I'm hoping it's like gentle enough on my sensitive skin. I think I might have read that it was, but I don't remember. I don't know. So that we're gonna try. I got the bronzer. I got their multi-stick, which I'm not sure about because it has shea butter in it, and I thought I was allergic to it, but I might not be. It's hard to tell, so we'll see. It's worth the try. So their multi-stick, which has shea butter, orange peel wax, and avocado oil. I love the smell of orange, so I'm excited about this. And shade Whisper. What is this again? We'll find out. I think it's blush, but I don't remember. And lastly is the it's the True Skin Serum Concealer. Smoothing, brightening, stabilized vitamin C, and mastic. I don't know what mastic is. And it's in shade SC1 Chicory. Oh, the shades that I got, foundation and the concealer, SF 1.5 Mallorca for the foundation. And these all products and I'm going to insert it in the video and like the description box of how I came to this. So I kept seeing advertisements on Instagram to send your pictures in so that an expert from ILIA Beauty to analyze your skin tones and match the way you look with their products based on the way your face looks and different, angles. So I went outside the other day and I took pictures in different angles, try to do it in like natural sunlight, and then they sent me back some options, and I'll probably insert a clip of that in this video when it's being edited. And I decided to go with, they give you like 2 for foundation, 2 for concealer, and so on. And I looked and looked and looked. So that's where I came to find these. So first I'm going to do a little bit of primer. All I have is these. So we're not doing like a whole full face of everything. We're just doing a full face of these. Alright, so now I'm really, really bad at matching my shades. So I was like, let me try this and see how it goes. So we're going to use a brush in my hands. So this one, in case you're wondering again, is SF 1.5 Mallorca. This is their True Skin Serum Foundation. There's aloe in it and some other stuff. I'm going to put it on my hand. Once it comes out, okay, this is liquidy. So I guess it's a good idea that I'm going to use a brush. Liquidy, if it's liquidy, you should use a brush. I think that's what got my floor cheapers. Marlena Stell said. You should use a brush when you're using a very liquidy foundation. I think that's how it is. The thicker it is. If it's thick, you use a sponge. If it's liquidy, it's a brush. I can't remember, but I think that's what she said. To be honest, my first impressions are it's a little too liquidy for my liking. So That's why the word serum is in here. Oh, it says shake before use. Well, I didn't shake it, but either way, it's still very wet. So now I'm gonna put it back on here on my sponge. Bring my mirror. Yeah, I did. And it said it was light and medium coverage. I prefer medium to full coverage. Figured I'd give it a whirl, so that's what we're doing. We're giving it a whirl. Gonna add some more because a little bit doesn't go very long. Doesn't go very far, it seems, because it's like very light coverage. I just wanted to try it, just to try it, if you know what I mean. Jelly bean. And that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to keep my hair away. It's so light, you can hardly tell that I'm wearing foundation. Okay, so first off, I don't like that. Then we're gonna do, open on my neck a little. So, I can't really tell. And then we're gonna try the concealer, which again is in SC1 Chicory. Also serum. I wonder what they look like compared to each other. So yeah, this is maybe a little dot. The foundation's a smidgen more darker. Just checking the time. We have like this thing here. And then I'm gonna do my chin chin. Alright, then we're gonna go in again with this sponge. My sponge from Beauty Bakery. I don't know, I'm having a lot of second thoughts on this. I wonder if you could return it if you don't like it, because I don't think I like it. I don't like it. I don't understand what the whole hype is about ILIA. I'm sorry, but I don't like it. I don't think I like it so far. Because I like fuller coverage. I like, you know, I like what I like. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with, just wanna make sure this is blush. Yeah, this is a blush. And I'm showing it to my mirror. That's a blush. So first, we're gonna do the bronzer because that's the order I like to do it. So this is it's the shade Drawn In from ILIA Nightlight Bronzing Powder. Oh, this is so chapped right now, it's not my face. After with mine. Is this a good one for bronzer? We'll find out. So this is so cute. We believe in better. That is so cute. See, I like the packaging. That's really cute. It is a very light bronzer shade, that's for sure. Gonna put it on this brush here. Very powdery. It doesn't have any top in it, which is good. Gonna tap that off using most of the product. And I'm gonna bronze my face. Oh, it's heavy. I mean, I guess if you didn't have marks on your face like I do, the light, barely there foundation and concealer would be alright for you, but I'm not like that, so. This is very light. I mean, very heavy. Like dark, in my opinion. Maybe not. Okay, it's not so bad. This lighting, it looks like it is. And I'm gonna do my eyes a little. There's a brush that I pulled out to use my eye. I'll do my eyes a little bit. I feel like I'm together. Put together. And this lighting, it looks like that. Alright, I feel good now. Then I'm going to switch over to this blush, which is a stick, and this one is in shade Whisper, the ILIA multi Oh, this is multi-stick because you can put it on your lips, you can put it on your cheeks, you can put it, I don't know where else you want to put it, but you can put it here, there, and everywhere. So on my hand, that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna reuse this brush, I guess. Just want to finish this video, for God's sakes. Oh, here, this one. We'll use this one. It's going straight into here. I'm gonna get some hair on here too. I can't brush it. I can't blow it. Yeah, I did my cheek and I did a little of my nose because who doesn't like the little redness on your nose? I keep forgetting you can't blow this because it's a cream. If it's a little too much, you could always blend it down with the clean side, I guess. You want to add more? You could add more. Alright, so overall, to be honest, I'm going to be brutally honest, you know me. Trying to get this mush off with the... I can't! I don't know, I'm getting all this powder on it. Alright, so overall, I'm going to be brutally honest. I don't mind the blush peels whatever I put on my nose off. Yeah, it pretty much peeled whatever I had on my face off. The only thing I like, so I might seriously return everything here, except for the bronzer. The bronzer I like. That I'm okay with, I think. Let me double check. Oh, I forgot to do my nose. Well, that's alright. Yeah, I didn't like anything except for the bronzer. So I'll keep the bronzer, but I'm gonna see about returning this. Usually I don't do stuff like this, but I think I will, because I don't like it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm about to spray my face to set this in for now, at least, because I gotta go back to work. Okay. Keep the samples. Why not? They're samples. Yeah, I'm gonna keep these samples, but I don't like anything except for the bronzer. But those are my honest opinions. Again, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it and my brutally honest opinions, give the video a thumb up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumb up anyway. And please leave a comment. If you don't know what to comment, but you really want to leave one, leave a smiley face emoji. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Lulu's World, and stay tuned for more videos because they are upcoming multiple times in a week as of late. So yeah, I will see you all later. Bye. Bye. Thanks.